5 people died after a soil collapse during the construction of a well in Nayapurba village in Madhya Pradesh Panna district. The incident took place on Tuesday. Officials confirmed the deaths after a rescue operation. The accident occurred in Gram Panchayat at Meherpurva. It falls under Ajaygarh development block. Workers were engaged in digging an old well. The work was being carried out under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Development Guarantee Act. During the construction work, the soil suddenly caved in. Workers present at the site were trapped under heavy debris. Panic spread in the area. Other workers and villagers rushed to help. Local administration was informed immediately. Rescue teams reached the spot soon after. Police and district officials also arrived at the scene. A search and rescue operation was started without delay. After several hours of effort, all 5 trapped workers were recovered. Officials later confirmed that all 5 had died. Their bodies were sent for post-mortem examination. The incident has caused shock and grief in the village. Families of the deceased workers gathered at the site. They demanded compensation and immediate assistance. The atmosphere in the area remained tense and emotional. Bharatiya Janata Party MP Vishnudat Sharma called the incident tragic. He said he was in contact with the district administration. He also said he had spoken to the Chief Minister about the matter. He said all possible help was being provided to the affected families. He added that the administration acted quickly after receiving information. He also said senior officials were monitoring the situation. The MP expressed condolences to the families of the victims. He said the government stands with them in this difficult time. He assured that relief measures would continue. Officials said that the collector and other senior officials were supervising the response. Compensation process was being initiated. Assistance for the families is being arranged. The accident took place during work. The scheme provides rural employment opportunities. It is widely implemented in villages across India. Safety conditions at such work sites are now expected to be reviewed. Preliminary reports suggest unstable soil may have caused the collapse. The exact reason is still under investigation. Authorities are collecting details from the site. A formal inquiry has been ordered. Officials will examine whether safety norms were followed. They will also check work conditions at the site. The district administration has assured full support to the families of the deceased. Relief and compensation measures are being processed. The village remains in mourning after the tragic incident. Villagers expressed sorrow over the loss of 5 lives. Rescue teams have now cleared the site. Authorities have urged caution in ongoing construction work in the area. Further updates are expected after the investigation is completed.
आज जो रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन किया है, यहाँ पे एक कुआं धंस गया था, जिसमें जो कुआं खोदने का काम कर रहे थे उनकी आकस्मिक मिट्टी उन पर भारी मात्रा पे गिर जाने की वजह से उनकी मृत्यु हो चुकी है। तो 5 व्यक्तियों का हमने उनका शव रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन तहत रेस्क्यू किया है और उनको अभी अस्पताल पहुंचाया है।
अभी कुछ और सवाल निकलने की संभावना है क्या?
इसमें अभी शासन की बाकी जो प्रक्रियाएं हैं जो परिवार को इस दुखद घड़ी में राहत देती हैं वो अभी चालू है।
कहने का मतलब है कुछ और अभी डेड बॉडी अंदर है क्या ये?
अभी हमने जितना जांच किया है, हमारा रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन हम अभी इस स्टेज पर कंप्लीट मान रहे हैं।
Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.